Okay, so I'm having this trouble with my my truck. I had a new clutch put in a few weeks ago, and ever since I've had this noise that actually it just started probably about 2 weeks ago, and it seems to be getting progressively worse, but I'm not sure. Sometimes I don't hear it and sometimes I do, but it only happens when I'm letting the clutch pedal up, and so I'm engaging the clutch. Right as it's engaging, then there's this noise. It's not a grinding noise. I'm not sure what it is. It's kind of, but it's the sound of two surfaces kind of rubbing together. That's the sound right there. I don't know if you can hear it, but sometimes it goes away when I'm driving. I don't hear it. I hear it between some gears, like when I go from first to second, and then sometimes from second to third, but mostly from a standing stop. If I'm rolling and I engage the clutch, I don't really hear it that often. I don't have any trouble. Like right now, you didn't hear it. I just went into first from a roll, and you didn't hear it. Going into second, I do hear it. Now I'll go into third. No sound. So even while I'm in neutral, now first. Just sitting in the garage. Clutch down, disengaged. Clutch engaged.